In a small village lived a boy named Ethan. He came from a very humble family. His father worked in the fields and his mother managed the home. Ethan had a big dream. He wanted to become a successful scientist. But his biggest problem was that he had neither expensive schools nor proper resources. All he had was an old book and a broken lamp. The villagers mocked him, saying, "You, a scientist? First learn to step outside the village." Ethan quietly listened, but never gave up. Every night after everyone slept, he studied under that broken lamp. Many times when the oil ran out, he studied under the moonlight. One day the school announced a science competition. The winner would get a chance to go to the city for a bigger exam. Ethan felt a spark of hope. Maybe this is my first step. But just before the competition, his only book got ruined in the rain. Now he had no study material left. He sat in despair until his mother said, "Son, life will never be easy. But the bigger the dream, the tougher the fight." Her words lit a fire inside him. Ethan decided not to quit. He collected old newspapers from the junkyard and learned experiments from them. The competition day arrived. Other kids brought expensive projects. And Ethan? He presented a tiny windmill made of mud and tin cans. Everyone laughed. But when the judges saw that this windmill could actually produce electricity from the wind, the hall erupted in applause. Ethan became the winner. He went to the city, gave the national level exam, and won a scholarship through sheer determination. Years later, when he waved the Indian flag on an international stage, those same villagers proudly said, "We thought this boy was just a dreamer, but he turned dreams into reality." That day, Ethan said, "Resources never decide success. What matters is how hungry you are for your dream." If you believe this story should reach more people, please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.